questions, and let's now see about redeeming some codes. So I'm going to go to Google and I just searched Headspace discount code. You can do this as well. I'm going to go through some of them. Oftentimes, these just don't work. So let's just go see plans. Let's see if we can redeem a code here. Okay, let's try these different codes right here. Enjoy 30% off. And most of these don't work, but we'll see. Oh, wow. This worked. Okay, great. There we go. That one works. So far, it looks like one code did work. So that's really cool. Brought it down to 30% off. I'm going to assume these free 30-day trials are. I'll try one more, but I don't think it's highly unlikely that if this one is highly unlikely this is going to work. That'll be the last lady gang. Boy, yeah. Let's see though. This one was interesting. This one has a bit more information. 50% off. Used that many times. I'm doubtful. I'm doubtful, but code copied. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of these just aren't gonna work, which is why I was very surprised to see one that actually did. But that one's not gonna work. Probably unlikely that these other ones. Let's see. 30-day free trial. HYATT. 30-day trial. What? There we go. Awesome. HYATT. 30-day trial. Bam. Awesome. Yeah, this one doesn't work. But it looks like we did get a free trial. Let's try this one. Code copy. Ding. No. Yeah, they're not going to do like a. Headspace is all about like health and stuff. They're not going to do inappropriate. Okay, so we found two.